So I ran out of time on the last one, so I thought I'd make an additional video. So we had just finished up this one where we divided by 6, and then here we added the 1, we divided by -4, flipped the sign, and then we had this x is less than -3, so it can equal -3, less than or equal to. So we put a solid there going that way, and then the 1, 6 going that way. There's another type that can get confusing, and I wanted to make sure to go over one of these. So it's -9 is less than -3x, which is less than 12. Notice that there's a negative here. So we're going to do the same. We're going to divide by a negative for all 3 parts. And when we divide by a negative, we have to remember to flip the sign. So we will end up with 3, sign flipped, x by itself, because -3 divided by -3 is 1, so it's 1x. Sign flipped. Notice I'm flipping both signs. That's completely okay. But the problem, we have really bad math grammar here. Math grammar says we should have a nice, the smallest number on the left and the larger number on the right. So I need to rewrite this with good math grammar. So I'm going to move the -4 here. But I need to stay true to what this statement is saying. Notice the smaller, it's pointing to the -4. So we're going to have it pointing to the -4, which indicates that the -4 is smaller. Same thing, pointing to the x. I still want to be pointing to the x. So now we're saying that x is between -4 and 3. So even if we're doing multiple parts like this, the compound inequalities, and you're dividing with a negative, you still flip your sign. So here, -4, open circle, 0, 3, open circle, and that is it. And I just wanted to get that last one in. I think it's really important that you realize that, gotta rewrite it to put the smaller number on the left and the larger number on the right. So when you're solving these, up here with this one we did before, we didn't have to worry about that because we were dividing by a positive. So there was no sign flippage required. But here, where we divided by a negative, the one doing the action was negative, that's when we need to flip the sign.